Moseley took the task to find the positive charge on the nucleus. For that, he repeated the same cathode ray tube experiment. Moseley took anode of one metal in the discharge tube and allowed attack of cathode rays over the anode. In turn, the metal anode produced X-rays. He measured frequency of the emitted X-rays. Then, he replaced anode with other metal which is situated at lower position in periodic table. On repeating the experiment, he got lower frequency of X-rays. He repeated the same experiment number of times and found that the frequency goes on decreasing as the position of element in periodic table decreases. To his surprise, he found that the square root of frequency emitted by the anode is directly proportional to number of positive charges present in the nucleus of the atom of anode metal. So, he concluded that number of positive charges present on the nucleus of the atom is the most fundamental property of atom. So, number of positive charges present on the nucleus of the atom of particular element is called the atomic number of that element. Since positive charge is due to protons, hence the atomic number of the element can also be defined as the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom of particular element. Also, for neutral atom, the number of protons must be equal to number of electrons to ensure the electrical neutrality of the atom. Hence, we can also say that atomic number of element is the number of electrons present in the atom of the element. Atomic number of element is denoted by letter Z. So, atomic number Z is equals to number of protons in nucleus of atom, which is equals to number of electrons in neutral atom. Now let us understand what is mass number. Atom is made of electrons, protons and neutrons. Truly speaking, the mass of atom is concentrated mainly in the nucleus. That is, the mass of atom is due to mass of protons and neutrons. Electrons present in space around the nucleus and hence these did not contribute to the mass of atoms. Protons and neutrons are collectively called nucleons. The mass of a nucleon is nearly 1 atomic mass unit. Thus, the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom of a particular element is called mass number of that element. It is denoted by capital A. Therefore, mass number is equals to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Dear students, any element can be expressed as XZA, where X is the symbol of element, Z is the atomic number, and A is mass number. For example, C612 means element carbon having atomic number 6 and mass number 12. We will solve some more examples on this topic in next video.